This is going to be I Want to Hold Your Hand by the Beatles. This is by request, so don't forget to get those requests in here. Please put them in the comments, and I'll try to get to them as quick as I can. Okay, we're going to start out with a C to D. We're going to go. Okay, that's our intro. So we kind of wait for the first three beats to happen. To be 1, 2, 3, C, C, D, and then D, 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 D. So we have some extra Ds there. It's kind of like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3. So we kind of let that D hold for a minute. And 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3. Then we strum all the way through that one, and we go to a D7. And all the way through that measure, like 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So from the beginning, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. And then strum that one. And then D7. Okay, so I'll play it kind of up to speed again. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 times, then you stay on the chord, go to D7. G, D7, E minor. Okay, so what happens there, we have a bar of G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and same on the D7. Then the E minor is like a 1, 2 and 3 and 4. And then we go to B7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So on the 4 and, we hit that E minor there at the end. So G, D7, E minor, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, B7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to G. So in the tab, I have these written out where they kind of have in the Beatles book where it kind of chops it up a little bit, but you could just be playing the 8th notes all the way through. But if you want to check out the tab on this, a little chord chart thing, you might get some ideas to just make it a little different as it goes. So this particular second E minor would be 1, 2, and 3, 4. That'd be the beat on that. And then the B7 is just 1, 2, 3, 4. Slows down from that faster 8th note thing. So from the verse again, we got G, D7, E minor, and then B7 is going to go back to E minor real quick, and then G, D7, E minor, and then B7 for the whole measure that time. So 2, 3, and. Okay, then we're on the chorus. We're gonna go 2 beats on C, 2 on D7, 2 on G, 2 on E minor, 2 on C again, D7, and then a full measure of G. So that was. And then we're back to a verse. Chorus again, C to the D7, G, E minor, C, D7, G. Okay, now we have the bridge. So the bridge is going to be a D minor chord. You could do a D minor 7 if you want, 0, 2, 1, 1. So it's like G7, C to A minor, D minor 7, G7, and then C to the intro. Okay, so that bridge again, you could do a thing like a finger picking thing too, like. let's take a look at that. That'd be a D minor. Let's say do D minor 7. You could do either one though. So I'm just going straight up, kind of quick, dum, 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 and then a little slower on those last two coming back. Or actually, I just hold that bottom one a little bit. And then G7, C, A minor, D minor 7, G7, C, and then we only have time to get up to that high one there. We got to go back to the intro. D7, back to the verse. Let's do the verse real slow. 2, 3, 4. D7, E minor, B7, E minor, G. And it doesn't have to be any particular strumming as long as you're kind of carrying the whole measure of time. And then B7, and then our chorus. If you want to spice up the chorus, you could be like down, down, up for each. Down, down, up, down, down, up. And then we're back to the bridge after the chorus, after that verse. So we're going to have. Back to that again. So let's play that together, nice and slow. About that fast. 2, 3, 4. G7 coming up. And then C. Then A minor. D minor 7. G7. C. Bum, 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 bum. And then we're back to the intro. Let's try that again. So after the 3 count is when we come in with the C, C, D. So 1, 2, 3. And then D7. Back to the verse. Now our last chorus is going to go C, D7, G, E minor, then C, D7, B7 for a full bar. 3, 4, C, D7, and then we're going to go like triplets on the C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, G, and it's all over. So last chorus again, we got C to D7, G to E minor, C to D7 again, and then B7, 2, 3, full bar there, and then C to D7, and then triplets on the C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'll kind of play it through kind of quick for you. So 1, 2, 3. Verse. And then there's also some little hits on these chords, like then bridge, we'll finger pick it. Verse. So it's the and of the 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 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 then that B7 is kind of straight all the time. Bridge again. Last verse. Here goes our last chorus. C to D7, G, E minor, C, D7, B7, full bar, C, D7, and then triplets, C, 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 G. All right, I Want to Hold Your Hand by the Beatles by request. Hope you enjoyed that. Please leave your requests in the comments. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. This has a tab with it, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Verse.